Guys, I did it again. I let the baheehee grow up higher than what it's supposed to do. I did it again. Man, I just can't get a hold of it anymore. I see fungus, I see weeds, I see everything. So that means today's today. Oh, some stuff is in my eye. I can't see. I spray the weeds. I put the fungus control down. I put everything down and I start all over. Oh.
What up, y'all? Stoke Master Flex, having some cocktails and dreams in beautiful Port Orange, Florida. Holla at your boy. Also, Brandon's over there mowing. Hey, look, everybody, it's Eli. Eli, say hi. We're having an Earth War. All right, back to the amazing B. Davis and his amazing lawn cutting skills.
Okay, so now that I cut it on a level B, I think that was a level B. I'm gonna go back through it again. I'm gonna take it down lower and lower and lower. You know, I'm gonna drop it down to a C. I'm gonna drop it down to a D. And I'm even gonna drop it down to an E. You know, but I want to get that first layer off, you know, so that way at least, you know, it won't be as difficult. Some people might just go right down and try to do it, but then like the blades will slow up, too much grass will get up under the blades and it'll stop the motor from going. So that's why I want to take it down little by little, you know, that way to assure that I'm hitting every part and I'm cutting everything and everything's going to get cut evenly. Once I dethatch, then I'm going to have to take care of these weeds and everything, drop some image or some other stuff, you know, make sure I get some of that 2,4-D down. Maybe some fungus control down because I see like a little bit of fungus here and there. You know, I'm gonna just dump it all on the baheehee. Reason why is because I know the baheehee will grow back, so I'm not worrying about it burning it. Oh, you're gonna torch the baheehee, you're gonna burn it, whatever, so what? You know, it's gonna come back. You know, I literally don't think there's no such thing as like really torching the baheehee. I mean, I haven't put it to the test. Maybe some of you guys might know. If you do know, if you have torched your baheehee grass before, let me know. You know, shoot me over a picture or whatnot, or have me contact me. You know, Instagram somewhere. It's all below, and let me see what happens. I mean, we're gonna find out when we put. You know, when we cut it real low, when we dethatch, when we put image down, and when we put like fungus control and everything down too. Me, I don't think anything's gonna happen. I'm gonna just pump it with water and watch that bad boy grow up, and then we're gonna fert and watch it just turn green all over again. Let's take it down to the next notch, baby. All right, so I am currently sitting at maybe 2.5 inches here. I want to go down more. I'm not down where I need to be to bring out the dethatcher. So let's just see what this side is. At least this backyard is clearly off level, but let's just see what we got. That's about right, 2.5 inches. We need to keep going low. I want to scalp it. Scalp it! Sorry about that, guys. I'll leave now. Right. Let's see how low that took us. Over here. My one pass. See, it's a little bit more difficult to tell like the damn height with with this crappy baheehee. We gonna figure it out. I'm looking at 2 inches. So that came down more. What I think I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna just have to crank out the Time Master. Thing about that I found out about the Time Master, for me at least with the baheehee, is that it struggles if I cut it low, and when thatch builds up like this, all like that, it tends to struggle and cuts out. The 22 inch, it does a lot better with when I'm going low and when I'm trying to cut. But this is what you need to do. If you have baheehee in your backyard, baheehee, if you have it in your backyard and you want it to look good, this is the process that you have to go through, you know, unless somebody else knows something otherwise. I know a couple people out there, you guys have baheehee in your front yard, in your backyard, all over. You guys tell me in the comments below, what do you do to get yours green? Because I know what I have to do at least to get mine green, and that's cutting it all low, that's dethatching it, that's spraying it, and that's fertilizing it and letting it regrow all over again, letting it come up. I am finding ant mounds, I think so, yeah, finding ant mounds and everything all in here. Let's get the Time Master out. So what I'm doing is, I lifted the Time Master up and to about 3 inches or so in the back, 3.5 in the back, 3 inches in the front. Give it a little slope like that, so that way I'm picking up all the thatch. And I don't know if you can tell through the camera, but I can tell the difference. It's starting to pick up a lot of that thatch that's on the ground. Hopefully you guys can see that too. But that's what man, look at all this. Look at that. A half of a second of a pass. Look at all that it pulled up. All right guys, so we are down to about 2 inches now. I'm gonna see if I can get it down another one to maybe like 1.5 inches or so, because I really want to get that I really want to get the dethatcher blades to scrape the bottom of that dirt, get all that thatch off the ground, you know. So we're gonna see if we can get it down to like 1.5 inches or so. I don't know, you know, maybe not, but it ain't gonna be today because I'm starting to lose light clearly, but that's all right. So thank you guys for watching another episode of Long Time Coming, and we will have part 2 of dethatching next week. Remember, same channel, same handsome face, same B Davis. Peace.